Hi, I'm Ruffaz Taray and I'm back to my channel. So, before anything else, I'd like to thank all my latest or newest subscribers for subscribing to my channel. So, I already have like 80 plus subscribers, so please let's make it 100 subscribers. So, for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. You can comment also on the comment section. You can like this video and then you can also share if you want. So for today is another English tutorial video. So we're focusing more on grammar. So yes, and for today's topic is all about conjunction. So as we all know, there are three kinds of conjunctions rather. So we have the correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and then we have the coordinating conjunctions. But for today, we're just going to talk about coordinating conjunctions. And what are these coordinating conjunctions? A conjunction placed between words, phrases, clauses, or sentences of equal rank. So, as it said in the definition a while ago, coordinating conjunctions connect word, phrase, and sentences. So let's take a look at the examples. So first word, food and drinks. So here is your coordinating conjunctions connecting food and drinks. Only words. Okay. Number two, okay, second example, phrase. So remember, phrase doesn't have a subject and a verb. It's just, it composes of two or more words. So, in peace and in war. So this is your conjunction here connecting this phrase. And finally, sentences, two sentences connected by the conjunction but. First sentence, he is kind. So there is a subject and verb. Second sentence, she isn't. So subject and then verb. So my focus for today is all about conjunctions connecting sentences. So these are your following coordinating conjunctions with their meanings. So if it is difficult for you to remember the coordinating conjunctions or memorize them, just follow this pattern. So we have your fanboys. So F for a and N, nor, B but, O or, Y yet, S so. And these are their corresponding meanings. So for means reason, so it means because or since. So and is in addition to, so you are just adding some information. And nor means and not or negative choice, so it's always used in the negative sentence. So later I will be giving some examples. But of course, like contrasting idea, opposite idea. One is negative and then the other is positive idea. Or of course, there is alternative choice, A or B. Y is yet, so contrast similar to but. These are interchangeable. You can use either way. Later I will explain also. And then so is of course your result. So here is an example of a sentence using the conjunction for. So remember, coordinating conjunctions can connect two sentences, and here is the sentence. So we said that for talks about reason, so because or since. So let's take a look at the example. He was crying for he lost his money. Now in the sentence, there are two sentences here. The first sentence is this one, and then the second sentence is this one. Now as you can see, the conjunction for is in the middle, right? And then here we use a comma there before the coordinating conjunction. Why? It's just for pausing. So we don't want to read the two sentences fast, so we need to pause for a while. He was crying for he lost his money, something like that. So he was crying because he lost his money. Now, basically, for is usually used in formal English. What do you mean by formal English? Like in business English. Okay, it's not commonly used in ordinary conversations, like when we talk to our friends or when we talk to our family members in the house, or we go to the bar, or we go to the club and talk to the people there. So we don't normally use this one in ordinary conversations. So normally we use this in business English. So when we do, like, for example, the president will make a speech or like that. So State of the Nation address. So he can use this one. Here are examples of coordinating conjunction and. So we said that and is in addition to, you're just adding some information of equal rank, right? So when we say of equal rank, so if the sentence, if the idea is negative, the second idea is also negative. If the second idea is positive, the second idea is also positive. So let's have the first example. The flowers bloom and they look beautiful. So the flowers bloom, that is your first sentence. So that is your subject and the verb. And your conjunction here is ends with a comma. So the second sentence is they look beautiful. So this is your subject and this is your verb. They here is the same with the flowers. Same subject. And yeah, of equal rank. Why? Because the flowers bloom is in a positive state, in a positive sentence. There is no not, right? And here, they look beautiful. That is also positive. So it cannot be the flowers bloom and they are not beautiful. That is impossible. That is crazy. Now, there is a comma here. If you want to put a comma here, you can do so. So according to some people, some grammar experts, well, if the sentence is quite a short one, you don't need to put the comma. But if you want, if the sentence is quite long for you, then you can put a comma there. All right. So that is your first sentence. The second example here is, he is lazy and he is a heavy smoker. So your first sentence here is, he is lazy. So subject and then verb. And second sentence here is, he is a heavy smoker. And then your coordinating conjunction here is and. Again, there is a comma. I put it, yeah, because I wanted to. So he is lazy. What do you think of that? Is this a positive sentence or a negative idea? So actually, the idea here is negative, right? Because lazy is a negative word. Now, he is a heavy smoker. Heavy smoker is also a negative idea here, right? So there is no not here, the word not, but the idea is not good. Lazy and heavy smoker. So that is your end. So you are just adding more information about your subject here, your subject here. So something like that. Is that clear? Okay, so the third coordinating conjunctions, we have the nor. So basically, nor talks about negative idea. And yeah, it also talks about not. So it's like a negation. So let's have the example. He didn't go to school, nor did he finish his homework. So remember, nor is usually used in negative sentences because of the word not. So he didn't go to school, comma, and then you put here nor, and then your verb did here, and then your subject here is did, and then your verb here. So this is your subject. So it's the same with he. So nor did he finish his homework. So it means to say this sentence here, the idea here is also negative. And because the first sentence is in the negative state because of the word not. He didn't go to school, nor did he finish his homework. And then the second example, he finished his homework late, nor did he review it. Now, the second sentence doesn't have the word not, right? However, if you look at this sentence here, this is still negative. Why? Because late. And here, the second sentence, nor did he review it. So here also is a negative state. So this is your verb. Yeah. So when you use the verb here, it should be present form. Why? Because of this one. So did here means already past. Right. Here also, did is past. So you use the base form here, finished. So he finished his homework late, nor did he review it. And he didn't review this one also. So of equal rank, so negative idea plus negative idea, negative sentence, and automatically this is also negative sentence. So that is your coordinating conjunction nor. So here is number 4, but. So but is a contrasting idea. So one sentence is negative, the other sentence is positive. So we can say negative and positive. Positive or negative, like that. So first example, the food is tasty, but it is expensive. So your first sentence here is the food is tasty. So the subject and then the verb, and then that is your SLVSC. So tasty here is a good word, right? It sounds nice. And then remember there is also a comma here, and then your conjunction, but. It is expensive. So expensive here makes the sentence negative, right? So first sentence was positive idea, but the second sentence has a negative idea. So that is why it is a contrasting idea. So one is negative, so one is positive, and then this is your negative idea. And then we have number 5, or. So or, as we have said, is like an alternative choice. So it could be A or B. So example, he can use the back door or he can go to the front door. So this is your coordinating conjunction. So this is your first sentence, and then this is your second sentence. So there is a choice here. It could be A or B. So he can use the back door or he can use the front door. So it's up to him, whatever his choice is, like that. So here is an example of coordinating conjunction yet. So yet means contrast, so it's similar to but. Okay, so the example here is Tom plays soccer well, yet his favorite sport is baseball. So your coordinating conjunction here is yet, and then there is a comma here, don't forget it. So yeah, so Tom plays soccer well, but his favorite sport is baseball. So they are contrasting ideas. So soccer and then baseball. Got it? And down to the last one. So we have number 7 now. It's so. So it means result. Example, I didn't do my homework, so my teacher punished me. Yeah, so here is your coordinating conjunction so. So I didn't do my homework. That is your first sentence, and then after that there is a comma here before the conjunction so. That is also important. My teacher punished me. Like that. Why did your teacher punish me? Why did your teacher punish you? Because you didn't do your homework. Like that. So I didn't do my homework, so what is the result? My teacher punished me. Something like that. So that's it for today, guys. So finally, we finish our topic about coordinating conjunction. So if you have a comment, please comment down below. And if you have suggestions about the topic that you want me to do on my next English tutorial vlog, you are free to do that. Just comment down below. And please also like and share this video if you want. And thank you for investing your time with me, and I hope to see you next time. And please be safe, everyone. Bye.